Hey future scholars, are you thinking about studying abroad in Europe but feels like you have already seen the typical options? Well, let me introduce you to a hidden gem that's rapidly gaining global recognition. Malta. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, Malta offers a perfect blend of ancient history and modern innovation. Imagine studying in a place where every corner is bursting with culture, where the sun shines nearly all year round and where your education is not just a degree, but a life-changing experience. Intrigued? Stick with me because I am going to tell you why Malta could be your next study abroad destination. Picture this. You are walking to your university along cobblestone streets lined with historic buildings, the sea breeze in your air, and the excitement of a new day of learning ahead. But it's not just about the picturesque surroundings. Malta's higher education system is designed to prepare you for the global stage, blending tradition with cutting-edge innovation. Now, for those who don't know where Malta is, take a look at it on the map where you will have to zoom in a lot. It is an European and Schengen English-speaking country and the weather here is immaculate. Because if you compare it to other European countries, everywhere it is either snowing or too cold. But here you can see that it's still sunny. So, it's a perfect country for Indian, Pakistani or Asian students. Now, let's start with the reasons. And first and very first reason here is you can study in Malta without IELTS. Yes, it is true. Many students are coming here without IELTS, which is an English proficiency test. It is not a mandatory thing here. Second is that you are accepted here with low grades as well. You can get an admission here with 51% as well, which is great. So students with low grades can also study here. Third is that they have multiple intakes. In few countries, you will only get September intake or February intake. But here in Malta, you will get January intake, then you will get April intake, and after that, you will also get June and July intake. And after that, again a September intake. So you will get multiple intakes throughout the year, which is an added advantage. Fourth reason is that Malta is an English-speaking country. One of the biggest challenges when studying abroad is the language barrier. But guess what? That's not something you need to worry about in Malta. English is one of the two official languages here, thanks to Malta's history as a former British colony. This means that about 90% of the population speaks English fluently. Whether you are in class, at a cafe, or exploring the island, you will have no trouble in communicating. Plus, all university courses are offered in English, so you can focus entirely on your studies without the need to learn a new language. But wait, Malta isn't just about hitting the books, it's also about gaining real-world experience. Let's talk about job opportunities for students. Here, almost everybody gets a job and the average salary is 1200 to 1500 euros per month, out of which you can easily save rupees 60,000 if you are doing a full-time job. In Malta, international students have the opportunity to work part-time for up to 20 hours a week during their studies. And here's the exciting part. Malta's job market is booming. Whether you are interested in tourism, tech or any other sector, there are plenty of opportunities to earn while you learn. Plus, with initiatives like Malta Digital Innovation Technology and Startup Malta, the island is becoming a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. Imagine gaining work experience in one of the Europe's most exciting emerging markets and getting paid for it. Next, one of the best parts is that visa ratio here is 90 to 95% allowed by interview, which will be taken at the embassy. If you talk about visa process time, then it is just 1 month. While tuition fees here ranges from 6,000 euros to 8,000 euros, generally in private colleges, which in Indian rupees is going to be somewhere around 5 lakh rupees. And the best part is some colleges also allows you to pay your tuition fees after visa. Next, once your studies get completed here, you will get 6 months of time to search for a job. It is really easy to find a job in the 6 months time frame, and then you can get your student visa converted into work permit. Gap years are also not a problem here. If you are coming for bachelor's, you can easily come with 3 to 4 years of gap and it's acceptable. And if you are coming for master's, then up to 10 years of gap is acceptable. Your classes here are going to be only 2 days per week, so you can work easily for the rest of the week. And last but not the least, the most important part through which you can complete your education almost for free. They have a reimbursement scheme which is called qualified scheme. In this qualified scheme, once you complete an education and start working, and then you have to pay taxes, you can just reimburse your tuition fees and you can get up to 70% of your tuition fees back. Fluency in English? Check. Affordable living? Check. Unforgettable adventures? Double check. Malta has it all. So why settle for the usual study destinations when you can explore a hidden gem in the heart of Mediterranean? Now, moving on, let's talk about popular study areas. But wait, answer this first. Do you want to graduate with more than just a degree? In Malta, you will leave with memories, skills, and a network that spans the globe. Maltese universities offer a diverse range of programs that caters to the needs of the modern world. Whether you are passionate about arts, design, and media, or you are more inclined towards medicine, business, or engineering, Malta's university have got you covered. These institutions combine traditional academic excellence with modern, innovative teaching methods, ensuring you are well prepared for the global job market. And with highly qualified faculties guiding you every step of the way, you will be getting an education that's both comprehensive and career focused. This must have definitely developed curiosity in you. So let me introduce you some of the Malta's top universities that have been making waves globally. Number 1, University of Malta, the oldest and most prestigious institution on the island, offering a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs. Number 2, Queen Mary University of London, Malta campus, bringing British education to the heart of Mediterranean. This campus offers a unique learning experience. Number 3, Global Business School Malta. Known for its focus on business and management, this school is perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. Number 4, the Malta College of Arts, Science and Technology. Offering vocational and professional training, the college is ideal for students looking to get hands-on experience in their field. Now that you know of the top universities, you will also want to know what it will cost you. Well, fear not. Malta offers quite affordable study plans. Tuition fees in Malta vary depending on the university and the program, but they are generally much more affordable than in other European countries. For a bachelor's degree, you are looking at anywhere between 4,400 euros to 10,800 euros per year, while master's program can range from 4,500 euros to 26,000 euros per year. But don't you worry, these costs are significantly lower than what you would find in countries like the UK or the US. And when it comes to living expenses, Malta offers options for every budget. Whether you are looking for a basic student dorm or a more luxurious apartment, there's something for everyone. Rent, groceries, transportation, everything is reasonably priced, making it easier for you to focus on your studies and enjoy your time in Malta. So, why settle for the usual when you can choose something extraordinary? Take the leap and let Malta be the backdrop of your academic journey. Trust me, this is one decision you will never regret. Now, if you are ready to make your mark in Malta, connect with Edugo experts today to have a hassle-free process of completing all the procedures. We are here to guide you in the right direction. Also, hit that subscribe button for more tips and insights on studying abroad. And don't forget to like and share this video with someone planning to take the big leap. Have any questions about studying in Malta? Drop them in the comments below. Edugo experts will help you out. Let's make your study abroad dreams a reality, one Maltese sunset at a time.